Right there. I like it. I like it. Okay, yeah, these blades come very, very sharp. Be careful. Not so pretty, but it'll work. That'll work. So, there we've got that. Fence can come out, cutting wheel can come out. Or, rather than building the whole thing yourself, you can buy the wood parts to the kit and have it mostly done. Let's put this one together. Ooh, too much. One even. Into the back. Almost. Almost. What are we catching on? Oh, just little chunkies. There we go. There we go. Now we got a functional fence. Oh, so close. So close. Yeah, that's what I like. Actually, is there a reason I shouldn't put it in? So it's almost done. It's just missing something, like, you know, something to hold on to. Well, that turned pretty really quick. So there you have it. This came out way better than I expected. And Jeff has been working on this for a long time. This has been a project, almost 2 years in the making. And when Jeff and I first saw this one at an auction, we were kind of confused by it, wondered what was up with it. We did a lot of research, went into it, and thought this is kind of cool. And I made a video on it and thought it would be interesting to show off, but no one would ever want it. And lo and behold, everyone is asking, where can I get it? Where can I get it? And I'm like, why do you want it? I don't know, but people want it. So Jeff said, I will make a kit. And Jeff made this. And honestly, I think it's really kind of cool. With this huge gear on here, it makes everything kind of fun. I love how this came out. He did a phenomenal job putting this together. And it's one of those things that you can make this really fancy and very beautiful, or you can make it, well, very basic and simple. And it's kind of up to you. And the cool thing about this is he's going to be selling it so that you can buy the whole thing. And that includes all of the wood you're going to need, all of the brass, the escutcheon, the large knobs, and also the tote and knob. And yes, these are the new ones from Rex Kruger, and so he is supplying them to Jeff for the kit. And I love the way these feel. They came out beautifully, so nice work, Rex. As well as the cutter, and this was actually really hard to get together. This is all put together and milled out by Tony Rouleau He did a phenomenal job on it. And it cuts really well. It's actually a thinner plate than the original and will cut a little bit easier than the original. And I really like how this one came out. So if you want to get the whole thing, you can. Or you can just buy the basic hardware. But the cool thing about this kit is you can make it any way you want with any organization of this, and all of the different setups of this kit are online and you can find the one that fits you best. So I'm looking forward to seeing what other people make for it, and how many thin boards are you going to rip down into smaller boards. I'm looking forward to seeing that. And if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, throw those in the comments down below. As well as all of the patrons on Patreon. Those are the fantastic, wonderful, benevolent, gorgeous people over on Patreon. You guys are literally the ones that sponsor this channel and keep us going. I do make a little bit of money off these kits as I actually ship the products and I actually hand the website. But this is Jeff's product that happens to be on my website because he doesn't have his own. Maybe someday he will. But I don't make a huge amount on this because I have patrons, and that's the reason I get to play with fun things like this, because of viewers like you. So thank you for that. If you'd like to support through buying something on the website or becoming a patron, it does mean a lot. I think that'll do it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. A ripping plane is honestly one of the most beautiful and manly things you will ever come across. This plane is completely and totally ripped. Not to mention it's rather chiseled.